morning. I'm now at Kaikoura at this place called Armour Beach. I set out the net last night, I think about 1:30 AM, and I caught 2 fishes. I don't know what fish is this. I'll go and check the boat now. If the fish is not the season to catch, then I have to release it back. Alright, cheers, thanks. It's too small, so we release back into the sea.
See you later, David.
Yeah!
You know abalone?
Yes?
There's lots here.
Oh man!
Yeah.
But we can't have them, right?
Can't have them at the moment.
Okay.
这是什么 Maggie？ Avocado with 龙虾下酒菜。哎呦，太奢侈了，讨厌。David 兄，你这是什么？
我吃这个龙虾，天天龙虾，冷的龙虾、烧的龙虾，什么龙虾都有。
哦，就家常便饭呗。
是啊。
哎。哇，橘色，你的 avocado 点什么？
点wasabi。
啊？可以咩？
要美然后吃龙虾，
太不一般的生活。